So let's say meron tayo number 1. Madali lang to guys. Actually, yung product rule, kahit hindi mo siya i-applyan ng product rule na as in, pwede mo yan i-distribute, then gamitan mo ng rules ng power rule. Tingnan mo, solve natin in 2 ways. So, let's say meron tayo nito. So, yung unang gagawin, derivative. So, yung unang gagawin is yung isang step. Pwede mo siya expand muna. So, yung negative x cubed times 3x raised to 4, that is negative 3x raised to 7. Tama. Then, syempre, yung negative x cubed times negative 2, magiging positive 2x cubed. Then, tsaka may apply yung power rule. So, basically, pag kinuha natin yung first derivative na ito, multiply mo lang naman yung 7 sa negative 3. That is negative 21x. Then, bawasan mo exponent. Then, yung kabila, ganun din. So, 3 times 2 magiging 6. Then, magiging x squared. Ito yung magiging first derivative natin. Pero kung gagamitan natin ng product rule kasi, may formula kasi, di ba? Para makuha yung y prime. That is uv prime plus bu prime. Then, apply mo lang yung u, b, kunin mo lang. So, basically, yung u natin doon, itong unang term, which is negative x raised to 3. Then, yung b natin, that is, etong kabila, 3x raised to 4 minus 2. Then, kunin mo na yung derivative. Yung u prime, magiging negative 3x squared, while yung b prime, magiging 12x raised to 3. Then, yung constant, 0. Ha? Add mo yung exponent. Anyways, check natin to. So, gamit yung formula, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime, yung u natin, that is negative x cube. Then yung b prime, 12x. Ba't parang may mali ako? Alam, hindi ako marunong mag times. Ano ba 21? Ito na yung mali. Hindi pala tapos. Ito naman. So 12x cube. Then plus ito yung b, that is 3x raised to 4 minus 2 times yung u prime, which is negative 3x squared. So basically, add lang natin. So multiply muna natin to, by the way. So pag nag-multiply tayo ng pares na variable guys, so ina-add natin yung exponent. So basically, yung negative x cube times 12x cube magiging negative 12x. Then yung 3 plus 3 magiging 6. Then plus, pero pwede natin gawing negative siya kasi negative times positive na 10, di ba? So negative 3 times positive 3 magiging negative. Didistribute lang yan. Magiging negative 9. Then x squared times x raised to 4 may x raised to 6. Then negative times negative magiging positive yun. Then 2 times 3 magiging 6. Then x squared. Then pwede natin combine similar terms, which is eto may parehas na x raised to 6. So yung negative 12x raised to 6 minus 9x raised to 6 magiging negative 21x raised to 6. Then yung 6x squared. So pares pa rin yung kakalabasan. So ganun siya ginagawa guys pag product rule. Kahit mental mo to, marunong ka mag times. So let's say meron tayong f of x or y na lang, x squared na lang muna. Same pa rin yung process. Then so ganun pa rin. Mental mo siya, kaya mo yan i-mental. Hindi lang naman yung given. Wala pa tayo sa exciting part. Anyways, basta marunong ka mag-derive, gets yun. Anong gagawin dyan? Anong gagawin? wrap. So gamitin natin ito ng unang ginawa natin. Ito yung given na. So y equals to x squared times negative 3x squared minus 2. So expand lang muna. So x squared times negative 3x squared may negative 3, then x raised to 4. Then x squared times negative 2 may negative 2x squared. Then syempre, apply na natin yung first derivative. So multiply lang yung exponent sa coefficient. So 4 times negative 3 may negative 12. Then bawasan natin yung exponent. So minus ulit kasi 2 times 2 is 4 na. Then bawasan natin yung squared, magiging x na lang. So ito yung magiging sagot natin dapat pag ginamitan natin ng product rule. So remember, click tayo dito. Yung product rule is uv prime plus bu prime. So ano yung magiging u? That is x squared, yung unang term. Pwede magpalitan gusto mo. Then yung b natin, that is negative 3x squared minus 2. Pinarilisan ba yun? So ngayon meron tayong u prime. So ano maging u prime? That will become 2x. Then yung kabila naman, so derivative lang na ito. That is negative 6x. Yung constant 0 na yan. Then plug mo na siya dito sa formula. So yung u natin, that is x squared times yung v prime, which is negative 6x, plus yung b, that is negative 3x squared minus 2. Then yung u prime, that is 2x. Then simplify, then distribute. So multiply lang natin to. So positive times negative is negative, then 6, then x cube. Bakit cube? Kasi 2 plus 1 ng mga exponent. Then simplify natin tong kabila. So distribute lang natin. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Then x times x cube, x squared, maging x cube. Then positive times negative is negative. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Then may variable x doon. Then combine natin to kasi pwede naman. Para sila ng exponent eh. So gagamitan man to ng subtraction na polynomials. Then apply integers. So negative 6x cube minus 6x cube, may negative 12x cube. Then minus 4x. Actually binabasa lang yan guys. Once na nababasa mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka mamamali sa mga signs niyan. So actually pares lang sila. Ano pa yung basic pa yan eh, no? Pag derivatives. Pahirapan natin. FOIL method.